Hello and welcome back to the WP Club YouTube channel. Today we are going to learn how to transfer your WordPress site from localhost to the live server. So if you missed our tutorial about installing WordPress locally, you can check it through the link mentioned below. So why we needed to install WordPress locally? We did it to build a good site and discover so many features in WordPress, including plugins and themes. And now, if you think that you have already checked your website and it is totally ready, you can make it live right away. So keep watching our tutorial, it might be very helpful to you. So let us begin to transfer our WordPress site from localhost to the live server. That means that all the plugins, themes, posts, pages and everything will be transferred to live server. As you may see, currently I use the localhost with exam server. And if I turn off the exam and refresh the page, we'll see that the site cannot be reached. And now we need two main conditions. We should transfer all the files in the folders and the base. So let us begin from the base. Go to the localhost php.my.admin. Here we need to find all the tables of the appropriate database. Now we need to click on the Export tab. Here we may select Custom, and we do not need to change anything here. After all, we must click on the Go button, so the base was downloaded in the SQL format. Let us leave this for a moment. Now we need to copy our WordPress files and transfer them to the server. My WordPress files are located in exam.ht.docs. Here we need a WordPress folder. After finding the folder, we need to go to the C panel. Here we need a MySQL database. We should create a database, for example test.localhost, and click on Create. So the database is Edit, and here we need to click on Admin, then on Import button. In the opening window, we need to find Choose File section and drop the previously downloaded file there, or simply choose from the Downloads folder. After that, we need to move forward by clicking on Go button. Then just need to go back and see the tables appear to this section. So now we need to transfer the files to the server in the same way. For that reason, I usually use FTP FileZilla. And now in the opening window, we need to find the Quick Connect section and select the FTP credentials. After that, we should choose an appropriate domain and transfer all the files to it. So we must wait a few minutes to have the files completely transferred to the server. As you may see, about 4,000 files have been already transferred to server. Now we need to enter wp-config.php and change our DB name, filling out our DB user, password and DB host. We do not need to change these sections, and the table prefix is the same and we should not change it too. Now we have to take the data from the C panel and fill in the appropriate fields and save the files, confirming the changes. After that, there are some queries we need to complete. For example, we should change our old URLs to the new online website URL. So I paste the SQL queries into the description. These steps are mandatory and you need to follow to them too. So in the description of the existing URL, we need to paste this link shown in this video and replace the new URL with the online website URL. After this, we need to copy these queries one by one and move to our DB. After that, you should go to the WP options and press the Edit Inline button. So our WordPress options becomes WP581free. After that, we click on the Go button. Now we need to press on Edit Inline and go to the Code section, where we should transfer WP581free to all the appropriate sections. Then we take the second query, paste it here and press Go. And the same action should be done for all the queries. So we should wait a little bit and tap the credentials to enter. And here is our live website, similar to the one on the localhost. As you may see, you can transfer your WordPress site from localhost to a live server very easily with us. So if you like this tutorial, please subscribe to our YouTube channel and turn the notifications on. Much more is coming soon.